Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix mobile guys data limit setting, how to set hotspot data limit, how to use one time data limit setting in Tecno mobile. One by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. Friends, in your device, open your phone hotspot setting. After hotspot setting friends, open your phone Wi-Fi hotspot setting. So friends, you can use your mobile hotspot setting. Friends, click here second last option, one time data limit setting. Friends, click here data limit setting and set data limit. Friends, you want to set 100, 200, 300, 400 MB interior. Example guys, you want to set here 400 MB. So when interior 400 MB, OK option, and on your one time data limit setting. After 400 MB will used, your hotspot will off when you share your mobile hotspot with your friend. So guys, after used 400 MB your mobile hotspot will off, you will get notification. So like that friends, you can use hotspot data limit setting if you on. And friends, you want to set 1 GB 2 GB data limit, so friends you can set 1 and 2 GB data limit. I will set here friends 1.5 GB data limit. OK option, enable one time data limit setting and you can use it. And guys, you can set data limit with shortcut setting. Open your device phone setting. After phone setting friends, open your phone search option. Search friends one time data limit setting, one time data limit setting. Click here and you can set data limit with shortcut setting also. So friends, I will set here 600 MB only. OK option. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.